Chaos, and this is right in the heart of San Diego. Explosions, gunfire, and believe it or not, team building. New at 7, 10 News reporter Joe Little got an extremely close look at the new wave hitting corporate America.
And you won't believe who's behind the trigger.
The explosions make you jump. Your teeth clench with every shot fired.
It was pretty amazing.
But it's not real.
You know, it's make-believe. Go, we're on a movie set. RPG! Cover me!
It's a war game.
Contact! We try to play big.
Led by real Navy SEALs, played by the most unlikely of heroes.
I'm CEO of a company called Renaissance Executive Forums.
Jim Canfield
Front contact!
and 11 other San Diego-based CEOs suited up
Last man dropping back!
and took on strategic operations in Kearny Mesa for what corporate America likes to call team building.
Somebody get eyes on him!
They create these sessions with the SEALs to help businesses thrive.
This is about subjugating yourself to your mission. And that's what business is all about.
Now, I have to wear this white X so I don't get shot, but these CEOs who are usually in the white collar world, they're fair game.
I think what it does is allow you to feel what it really feels like when you're in the middle of split-second decision making.
Boardroom decisions just don't usually go, but Canfield, who ran point for his squad today, says it will help him communicate better with his staff.
Make sure the whole team knows what we're trying to accomplish and that everybody knows their part in that.
We'll tell them what they've learned. Contact right! And then we'll tell them how to use what they've learned in the workplace.
It's not life and death behind a desk, but Canfield knows his success is based on a team effort. In Kearny Mesa,
Everybody good?
Joe Little,
Good.
10 News.